G'day everyone. Okay, so the family shop has also moved. It was here, right near the south gate of Angkor Thom, and it's now here, a couple of 100 meters down the road. You can see the new buildings on Google Maps here, and this is what it looks like on the ground. So this update about what happened to the coffee shop still mostly applies, but everyone's been moved as part of the Angkor Park relocation program. Does this look like a familiar sight? Yes! We're at the shop. Mr. has already been transformed to look like his cousins. He looks so excited. That's a very nice colour, mister. Well done. So this is what it's like at the south gate of Angkor Thom post spicy cough, and you can see it is bloody quiet. It is pretty bloody quiet. Not much happening. There's some people over there getting some traditional photos made. The shops are all open, but there's one shop that was open here last time that's not, and that's the coffee shop that we set up with Bong Yang. And we'll, in this video, explain to you why it is no longer open. So we're here with Bong Yang.
Yes.
Back to where the shop was, well, where the coffee shop was. Now, we've had people that watch the video have come here to find you, and they said, we wanted a coffee, but there was no coffee.
Yes.
Can you explain what happened?
Yeah, because when the COVID is come, and it's no tourists anymore, and then I cannot sell the coffee anymore. Yeah, because Cambodia people, they don't like the coffee like that. They like expensive and coffee in the town.
Oh, really? So, so they think. So sorry. So this was more so for tourists. People were set up because look at the location here near the gate. Buses would stop here by the busload. People would get off, tourists would get off, come out, look for things, and they go, oh, coffee. And they want an iced coffee because it's bloody hot.
Yeah.
But Khmers don't care for the iced coffee. They want to go to Noi or to Amazon or brown coffee in town because it's fancy.
Yeah.
Ah. There you go. So it's shut down during COVID.
Yeah.
And then when things open up, not allowed?
I can do that, but it's soon they're gonna move the store to another place.
Ah,
so we think about that because it's they move to another place. I have two stores together.
Yep.
Maybe I'm gonna open the coffee store again.
Ah, good. And you'll be allowed to do it there?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long is this going to stay like this for?
I'm not sure. Maybe 6 months.
6? I think we just said 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. Let's say longer is 6 months, but it's maybe 2 or 3 months.
How long has this shop been like this for?
How long? Maybe 15 years.
50? 15?
15.
Okay, so not long.
20. I don't remember.
You can't remember since you were gone. Since you were gone, Khmer?
Let's say 20.
20 years.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go for an average of 20. So that's, I suppose, good news, good and bad news. I think the shops here, look, they're a bit manky. Let's be honest. It's pretty dusty. It's old inside, but I mean the thing is they're right amongst this whole spot, so it's pretty, I don't know, bit of charm about it. But the new spot will be much cleaner, purpose built. You won't have to crawl over rocks and get bitten by red bitey bastards as you go do stuff, and there'll be a coffee shop down there. So if you are here, still come and say g'day to Bong Yang. They do enjoy it when people come out and they recognise them from the videos. I think they think it's pretty cool. And say g'day to Jimmy if you're here too. You can't miss him. He's the Swede with the blue hair. But in some point in the future, they'll be down there. So that's what happened to the coffee shop. So thank you for your support. And we'll hope you support them at the new location at some point in time. Anyway, chicka ciao.